MobyMax's classroom dashboards offer a powerful tool for teachers to gather and analyze data on student performance. With just a few clicks, teachers can generate reports that provide an overview of classroom statistics for all Moby subjects in one convenient place. Teachers can also use the classroom dashboards to identify areas where students may be struggling and adjust their instruction accordingly. To get started, sign into your MobyMax teacher account and select the Tools tab at the top of the page. Click the Classroom Dashboards button under Report. Here, you can see an overview of your students' performance in MobyMax. You'll see information on students' average time spent in Moby, as well as completed standards, skills, and problems. Select the individual subject tabs to see data for just one particular subject. Click the printer icon in the upper right corner to print the report you're viewing or save it as a PDF. Finally, click on a student's name to view data on their individual performance in the subject. MobyMax's classroom dashboards help teachers make informed decisions about how to best support their students and improve overall academic performance.